All right. So let's say I wanted to do number 29 in 7.6, which says I want a shifted or compressed or somehow manipulated tangent function with the following properties. So it needs to have a vertical asymptote at every odd integer, and it needs to pass through the point 0, 0, comma, 1 half, or sorry, 0, comma 0, and 1 half, comma 1. Cool? Okay, so what do I start with?
Regular tangent, see what you're going to change.
Start with regular tangent. Okay, so regular tangent has asymptotes where?
Every
102. Every 180, starting with negative.
Okay, so it goes, positive pi over 2 is one of these, and negative pi over 2 is one. And then the next asymptote happens at 3 pi over 2. Right? Okay, so right now I have vertical asymptotes at the odd multiples of pi over 2. You guys see that? You guys see why it's the odd ones?
Yeah, because it's not 2 pi over 2.
Yeah, 2 pi over 2 is one of the even multiples, right? And that's here, and there's no asymptote there. You guys see that? Okay. Let's see, so I want to turn odd pi over 2's, right, into odd integers.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so,
1 over pi.
Or just multiply by 2.
Oh, multiply by 2 over pi.
okay, so let me see, I want,
What if you multiply by
I don't know, I'm going to call this, what am I going to name this thing?
I have no idea.
Tangent of
Oh my god.
2 over 2x.
What do you probably know what you're asking?
Okay, so I was going to write down a function label, but you guys don't want to label your function, so whatever.
Okay.
So you want to try pi over 2x?
Yeah.
No, 2 over pi.
No, that one will work because you have to divide by the opposite, so you have to flip it.
Yeah, so remember to calculate the new period, right? You have to take the old period and multiply by this thing flipped over. Let me just check, right? What happens if I put 1 in here? I get tangent of pi over 2. That's an asymptote.
Yeah.
What happens if I put 3 in here for x?
That's
I get tangent of 3 pi over 2. That's another asymptote. Cool. So try a couple, I guess, would be the kind of maybe best approach. Okay, so am I done?
No.
No, I don't think so. Maybe.
So right now, this guy, I'm going to call
Or
this
negative.
try 1 of x, right?
Yeah.
And try 1 of x has vertical asymptotes at odd integers. Check. And then to check those guys, what do I need to do?
Find them and see if they work.
Yeah, take 0, plug it in. What do you get out?
0, 0, 0.
Tangent of 0 is 0. Check. We go through 0, 0. Then I'm supposed to get 1 half, comma 1.
Oh, but isn't that...
So this is comma tangent of pi over 4. You guys see that?
Mhm.
This is, right, t1 applied to 1 half. What's tangent of pi over 4?
40.
What's pi over 4 in degrees?
It's 45.
45. So this is tangent of 45, right? The opposite over the adjacent in a 45, 45, 90 triangle is 1,
Oh, that's right, 45.
right? You guys see that? So I got 1 out of this thing. So check. It goes through both the points they had told me to. So try 1 of x, it is.
Nice.
So my answer is tangent of pi over 2x. Cool? Questions, Steele? What if they had wanted it to pass through 1/2 comma 2?
Right, you wanted to like shift it in some other way.
Yeah, right? We already did the horizontal compression, so I could shift it up. That'll screw up this guy. Or I could stretch it up, which maybe would be the right thing to do. You guys see that? Okay.